Resolution number 1 haina kubva kumba kwachamisa. Resolution number 1 haisi nasi. Resolution number 1 haisi biti. Tukula. Resolution number 1 haisi masarauri. Yakabva ku ZANU-PF. Vane ZANU-PF ndio wakana resolution number 1. We were in Bulawayo, where 10 provinces unanimously passed resolution number 1. We went to Manicaland province, where all 10 provinces again passed the resolutions. Resolution number 1, what did it say? Yaikumbira mtungamiri wenyika kuti ambotonga kusvika 2030. So now resolution number 1 is operational. Is what? Number 1, it went to cabinet for deliberations, and it went through cabinet, and it was supported 100%. Number 2, it was gazetted. It was what? Which means it's now legal. Tukula. Yes, you know, you have to say number 3. Number 2.
So in my honest opinion, Muda Ncube is running dirty politics. But what we need to understand is he's targeting the senior people of ZANU-PF. But when he's packaging his message, it will look like he's targeting those from the opposition. So we all know that the opposition is not associated with the amendment bills. So who else is he talking about? It's none other than the general. So this is the reason why you have heard others saying that with the report, but they are forgetting the more people get poked, the more leaders, the more things get bad, and it doesn't save anyone. So you can see that this is not going to end well. When you're looking at this whole thing, it will end in a mess, and they won't be able to deal with that mess. They won't be able to correct and rectify this mess. So where we are going is going to be very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. You will see zvigananda zviri kutungamirira maprocesses esaya zvichinyadzisirwa, but isisi chedu kutarisa chete. We watch to see what happens, but at this point in time it's something else.